What I wish I knew about how HVAC systems can transform industries. Let's dive into the world of WCSIPL. Weather Controlling Solutions India Private Limited, or WCSIPL, has been pioneering industrial climate control since 2008. Based in Pune, we offer end-to-end HVAC, fire protection, electrical and plumbing solutions. From comfort air conditioning to complex process cooling, our expertise spans across various sectors, including automotive and pharmaceuticals. With over 15 years of experience and more than 400 completed projects, CSIPL stands out with our technical depth and client-centric approach. We've executed landmark projects like the Nordex manufacturing plant and Volkswagen body shop, delivering unmatched energy efficiency and reliability. Our commitment to quality and safety, adherence to international standards, and glowing client reviews set us apart. Ready for a partnership that transforms your working environment? Contact WCSIPL today. We engineer your success.